In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can check what graphics card you are using on your Windows. So let's get started. So first thing is we have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate system, click on display. Now here you'll find this option, advanced display, click on that. And you'll find this option, display adapter properties for display 1. So under adapter, you can find your graphics card. So this is the graphics card that I am using. This is Intel RU HD graphics. So this is the first method. You also have here the adapter information, the chip type, the DAC type, adapter string, BIOS info, and the available graphics memory, video memory, system video memory, and shared system memory. Okay, that's the first method. Close this. Make a right click at the start button, and here you have to select device manager. Once you open device manager, locate display adapters, and there you go, you can find your graphics card. So I have here Intel RUHD graphics. Now if you want to update it, simply make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, and you have to close this. You can also disable it and install it from here. So that's it. Those are the easy ways on how you can find or know what graphics card you are using on your Windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.